Hi everyone, welcome back to NaturalNanz. Today I'll be showing you how I do my edges. But I have to give you a disclaimer, this is not going to be like a swoop swoop tutorial because I don't know how to do it. And also I don't think edge control is the right thing to use for those kind of edges. But today I want to show you if you just want your edges to look decent and uniform with your hair, this is the tutorial for you. So we're starting off with my black rice water spray. One thing that's really important, especially if you're using edge control, make sure that your hair is a bit damp, because using it without the dampness of your hair can actually tug a lot on your hair. So I like to make sure that I at least add some water, or in this case I'm adding the black rice water to my hair just to make the transition smoother. And of course you're going to need edge control. I like ORS edge control just because I've used it for the longest. You can honestly use any edge control. I don't think it matters, because those of us who've used it before, we know edge control doesn't last, so you may as well just use something that moisturizes your edges while it's there. And of course you need a toothbrush. I like to get baby toothbrushes and use those because the bristles are the softest. So you can see I'm trying to attempt something I have no business trying to attempt, but we'll set ourselves straight just now. The aim that I'm trying to do is just sleek back my edges. So I want them to melt into my dreads and just not have as much frizziness in that area. So just keep that in mind. That's the goal. That's what we're trying to achieve in this video. Be careful not to add too much edge control while you're doing this, because you don't want product buildup to happen in the beginning. I mean, as you go throughout the week and you're using it more and more, you will get product buildup, but you don't want to have it in the start. That defeats the purpose. So a debate that I'm having with myself, you guys can see I'm wearing makeup, and I don't know if it's better to put edge control on before your makeup or after your makeup. Let me know in the comments, when do you do your edges? Do you do it before or after? Because there's like a bit of makeup getting in the mix, and I don't know if that's just the best I can do. But at the same time, do I want to do my edges and then when I start doing my makeup I realize I messed up? I don't know. Let me know in the comments. So some of you may run into this problem because my edges are a bit long, praise the Lord, thank God. There's like curls at the end that just are chilling, and I need to figure out what to do with them. So what I have done, and you may see it in this video sometimes, I just try and mesh it in with my dreads and tuck them in, because there's nowhere else to put them. I'm not going to do the swoops. If I was doing the swoops, then it could have been something that I used to curl it up on the side, but we're not doing swoops. So for those of you who also are blessed, yeah, I just hide those little pieces within the actual style. So here are the results. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe for more hair content, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.